they select the people, they put them. Select them, they put them. Until the day when he go say, yes, he want decision there. Okay. So, like when I talk, he give this as a sign. So, this First World War, it shows say Jesus Christ don't come the second time. Have you not been so? And yet another sign. It does say, look, during this period, Satan go crazy. He not go only touch these the physical and political elements of the world, but he go carry this in madness, go Christianity. And what he go do? He go bring miracles, signs, and wonders. Buebu, they go come. All now to gather people for destruction. I want to ask you now, when they see them, that's a very strong sign to show say Jesus Christ don't come. If you read Matthew chapter 24, 11 and 24, but go to 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 from verse 1. But when they listen, I thought say, Jesus Christ don't come, he dey inside you. I'm only using this one as a prelim to show say, if some of una dey here, I don't know say don't come. Okay, sian. All this one show say he don't come the second time. In other words, he don't dey doing work again, just as he doing work before. And this period of him doing the work, which is called the last days, latter time of the end, the Bible they call it the period of restitution, regeneration, refreshing. Now they hear me so, restitution of all things. If you read Acts chapter 3, 19 to 24, we'll read down. So the man get the knowledge, then the exaltational aspect of it go come, which is Christ don't come the second time. He enter your body so. He enter you. If he enter you at that time, you go judge yourself. Me, I go judge myself. Read, yes? 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 from verse 1. Yes?
Now we beseech you, brethren.
Yes, with a beg una, that is waiting St. Paul, they write to the Christian in Thessalonica, I say just about 20 years after Jesus Christ had ascended. Shortly, you don't take. Look, nonsense don't they happen. Yes?
By the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ.
No, by the parusha or coming, they talk, say Jesus Christ don't come the second time. That they see the signs. But they were lying. Yes?
And by our gathering together unto him.
Are you the hearer? So go on, yes?
That ye be not soon shaken in mind.
He said, make them not let anything worry them, make nobody teach them. According to Galatians chapter 1, verses 8 and 9, he said, though we or an angel of God come and preach anything, that which ye have received, let that man be accursed. It affects, but he has to match them with wisdom. I mean, not be so. Not be to shout for them. You must tell them something to take that thing come off of their mind. Yes?
Or be troubled.
Yes?
Neither by spirit.
Neither by spirit.
Nor by word.
Nor by word.
Nor by letter as from us.
Not by letter. He not write any letter to that effect. But some other people, false apostles, according to 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 13, they don't start to do all those things. They confuse people. Just like in this our time. Are there not some people who talk, say, when Jesus Christ go come, he go they fly like kites or koloko for inside air. Make we see, huh? They need to teach like that.
Yes.
I said, they need to teach like that. Say, because every eye must see. Goat eye go see. Fowl eye go see. Wish go see. Until they will go conquer Jesus Christ. Nonsense. Whereas the Bible shows very, very clearly. John chapter 14, 19 and 22. And 2 Corinthians chapter 5, 15 to 17. Say, Jesus Christ can never come like that at all. A person when God don't promote and give him in own body, divine nature, therefore heaven. What did they come do? What did they come do? Maybe they go kill him another one? Nonsense. Because they don't know, say, the purpose when they come before now to come shed the blood. I will not be so. Hebrews chapter 2 verse 40. Hebrews chapter 9 verse 22. Clear. Go on, yes.
As that the day of Christ is at hand.
You know, He they warn them. Go on, yes.
Let no man deceive you by any means.
Go on.
For that day shall not come,
Yes.
except there come a falling away
He
first.
said fake Christianity must first come before Jesus Christ go come the second time. True to type. I don't want to go further. Come talk of the coming of miracles, signs, and wonders. What is that fake religion? Roman Catholicism. He entered into the world at about 300 AD. By 313 AD, Emperor Constantine made Roman Catholic Church or Christianity a state religion. Say everybody, just like as Nigeria there, somebody could just come, go to say everybody must be Christian. Is that possible? Is that possible? Just like you know, fit us make everybody be Muslim. That time, what did he do that time? For in mind, he said he want to convert anybody. Hooligans, so ashawo, godless people, all. At the end of the day, what it can happen? Now he bring all these false doctrines. Mariology, Trinity, soul can never die, about them Pope, about them priests when they marry, and nonsense. I don't want to go to that history. Now, I only bring this passage to show, say, early time people don't already teach rubbish about the second presence of Jesus Christ. One of the signs I told you that Jesus Christ don't come the second time and the advent of miracle workers. And that is a warning to all of you and myself. Anybody you see, when they talk, say, in they do miracle, signs, and wonders in the name of Jesus Christ or anybody. Should you believe that person? Will you believe that person? The no not sound though. I be some of you they follow them. I say anybody when he come today, even if na GKM minister, make a add and join. When it all say, look, I want to do miracles, signs, and wonders. Should you believe that person? No. Because Jesus Christ not going to give that power to anybody. And he talk on Matthew chapter 24, 11 and 24. Matthew chapter 7, from 13 to 14, 20 to 23. Then this is 2 Thessalonians, he did there. If you read Revelation chapter 16, 13 to 16, he did there. If you also consider what is in Revelation chapter 19, verse 20, that all miracle workers of this age will be killed. Read me Revelation chapter 19, verse 20. So anybody when they follow them, mark you, as they go now to the last phase of the discussion. Is Christ in you? Christ inside me? Then if Christ is in you, you must be something else. You must be a new creature. You must be a person when he reflects on the fact that Christ now gather you in this age of the end of the world. Because in actual fact, the great gathering of the children of God, now in this age of the end of the world, now it will take place. I will not be so. If you read Genesis chapter 49, 9 and 10, the great gathering now it will take place. He said, the scepter shall not depart from from Judah, nor a lawgiver from between his loins, until Shiloh come. And unto him shall what? The gathering of the people be. When he goes to fulfill. Now, this age, when the Gentile times are over from 1914, say the Gentile, their time go over. If you read that Luke chapter 21, Jesus Christ talk on, say Jerusalem shall be trodden down until the times of the Gentiles are completed. And the time of the Gentiles were completed in 1914. And now because of that thing, now he make you see, say, Jesus Christ, with his power, put the nation of Israel back to where they did. And I want to go to Zechariah chapter 12, Zechariah chapter 14, Isaiah chapter 19, Joel chapter 2, all those sections, Jeremiah chapter 9. I don't want to go, you go make the subject long, make one know, say, the gathering of Israel to become a nation, when we say, anybody when he touch them, now those people go die. Now Jesus Christ, now one. You have more than 300 quotations to show say I ain't gather them. That is subject of another day. Read. Yes.
And the beast was taken,
Yes.
and with him the false prophet that wrought miracles before him.
Are you hearing it? That the beast, what if the beast, now be the political machinery of Satan's governance, was captured. And with him, the miracle workers, where they work now. Yes?
With which he deceived them that had received the mark of the beast.
You know here, the lying wonders, now they do them. Yes?
And them that worshipped his image,
Yes?
these both were cast alive into a lake of fire burning with brimstone.
You hear and so? These both were cast alive into the lake of fire and brimstone. What if that lake of fire and brimstone? What did it be? Brothers, what did it be? What did they call them? What is the second death? Finish. Everlasting destruction. Clap for yourselves. And a straightforward answer. Everlasting destruction. Whether here there will be no more at all. Just stop there. And just bring this place to show say the end of miracle workers. Now what? Everlasting destruction. If you read Revelation chapter 16, 13 to 16, the same thing they there. Haven't given all this background. We, the gathering of the children of God in this age of the end of the world, we know. So now say it will take place according to Matthew chapter 24, verses 14 and 31, Revelation chapter 10, verse 10, and Revelation chapter 12, verse 17. Say in this age of the end of the world, he will send the anointed remnants. Choose them in different parts of the world. That is why if any church he rise today, he can't talk say, now only our church, now be those when go survive great tribulation and enter the kingdom of God here on earth or even heaven, that person is talking nonsense. Jesus Christ say, he go select the anointed ones from different parts of the world. Have you not been so? As he selects St. Robo for 1933 for here, just barely 19 years. As we enter 1940, 19 years later, now he chooses them. St. Robo was born 1903 and he was chosen 1933. How many years it be when he was chosen? How many years? Just 30 years. And it's significant. That is the age that priests are called. How many years Jesus Christ be when God started to use them for a ministry? How many years? The same thing. Does it surprise you? No. And he did the work for 19 years and died at the age of 49, February 25, Monday, February 25, 1952, period. Now in work, now will they do so? Have you not been so? So this age that the gathering of the sheep of God. If you read Matthew chapter 25, 33 to 46, he did there. This age tonight, they use this gospel of the kingdom to take, they judge the world. Anybody, when he talks, say he agree with the gospel, of course, you are on the side of favor. But if you say, no, get out. We don't believe. We they believe, say Jesus Christ, they come. You they scoff. Say, where is the promise of the coming? This and that. If you read 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 3. Jesus Christ said, the words that are spoken, the same shall judge men in where? The last day. John chapter 12, verse 48. Go on, yes? You don't finish. Okay. So, my dear brothers and sisters, all the signs, the major signs, the minor signs, the ones when they say they fulfill in this age of the end of the world, all of us, we don't know. We are not in doubt. We don't need anybody to come tell us now, say, Jesus Christ, he don't take up in power to reign and has come the second time. Do we need anybody to tell us? We know, say, we don't enter already the age of the restitution of all things. We don't need anybody to tell us. According to Acts chapter 3, 19 to 24. But, this is the rider. We should not say just the intellectual, the common knowledge, say Jesus Christ don't come the second time. It's not enough. Is that enough? No, it's just not. It is when you put them inside your mind and they operate you. Yes. It shows say, you know, say Jesus Christ, he don't come the second time. For example, if you remember, when they like to the late, or they come service. And say, where 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, I will be in their midst. Do you therefore believe that Jesus Christ has come the second time? I ask you. If you be member, when they knock bell, bang, 9 o'clock, now we go start serving. Now at that time you carry your soap, go bath. So that make Jesus Christ, because it also says, where 2 or 3 are gathered together in my name, I will be in their midst. I will not be so. Then you go sit down for your house. Make Jesus Christ wait for you. Do you therefore believe, say Jesus Christ don't come the second time? Now inside that your head, now you pocket yourself. Your Jesus never come. Our Jesus don't come the second time. Because if you believe, say Jesus Christ don't come the second time, what do you do? You go wrong. I mean, you go come wait for him. Because it talks saying at 9 o'clock, now you go sit down. Some people go say, so Jesus Christ come sit down for you. Yes. If you know this young, tie your eye well. Put metalaton, you can see him. He cometh with clouds, and every eye shall see him. Both those that pierce him, and all the kingdoms of men shall wail because of him. Revelation chapter 1 verse 7. So, except you allow Christ to read me 1 Thessalonians chapter 5. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5. Because you and me must not behave like people when not know say Jesus Christ don't come the second time. Because inside this second time, he has more than 250 things when anyone can do. Some kind of time when we just mention only 10. If I start to list the things when Jesus Christ he won't do, the ones when he never do, there are plenty. So we got to key into it. But more importantly, Christ must stay in you. Get me also Colossians chapter 1 from verse 25. If you don't let Christ stay in you, you they let your mind, they see they move as if Christ they somewhere. In fact, Christ is absent. Your heart is overcharged with suffering. If possible, now you own GKN. They must blah. You know say king a day. When they rule in the midst of his enemies, something is wrong with you. You have to be very, very careful. Read, yes?
Safety.
When the world shall be, they go to say, peace and safety. Yes, what is going to happen?
Then sudden destruction cometh upon them.
Yes, we are now in the age of the day of the Lord. I mean, not be so. The day when God does say, he go kill devil. Suddenly, like a woman that is pregnant and he must born. Devil will be killed. But of the day and hour knoweth no man. We are now in the age. Devil himself no say he get but a short time to live. But the day when they go kill him, he no know. So be very careful. Yes?
As travail upon a woman.
As travail upon a woman. Go on.
And they shall not escape.
Go on, yes?
But ye, brethren.
You dey hear I am landing the subject. I want to end the subject now. I'm taking long because I want you to get into the groove. Not your job put up for syllabus. Christ's second presence. Purpose of Christ's second presence. Then you cram am for head. Not be him. You have to know what is the reason why waiting make them they teach this subject. Now I dey get you to know that he has now come the second time. Look what happened in the first advent. When he come in the first advent, he to say that no, say this Jesus Christ, who is actually their Messiah or deliverer, the King of their glory. He to say that no, therefore King Jesus Christ, they missed him. So you can imagine it. If the natural Jews can miss the first presence, the whole nation miss the King of glory. Up to the extent Jesus Christ calls them, Jerusalem, Jerusalem, thou that killest the prophets and stonest them that were sent before you. If you have listened to me, I would have gathered you as a hen gathereth her chicken. But lo, you will not. Therefore I leave Jerusalem to thee desolate, until thou shalt say, blessed is he that cometh in the name of the Lord. Matthew chapter 23, verse 37. But Jesus Christ don't already talk. Say, when he go come the second time, will people even believe? Hold on that place. Read me Luke chapter 18, verses 8 and 9. Make you know, say, when some of us, they show faithlessness. Tithe, you not go pay. Nothing they do. What thing they take they do now to show, say, you believe, say, Jesus Christ, he don't come the second time. The priesthood after the order of Melchizedek has kicked in. What are you doing? Indolent. You are just a Daraprim member. Sunday medicine. Wednesday meeting, you will not go there. You will do your market. As you say, I believe Jesus Christ has come the second time. I say, now your Jesus, now you believe. Yes?
I tell you that he will avenge them speedily.
You hear and so? If they talk of the woman when they beg the godless wicked ruler, and the godless wicked ruler can't do what the woman they ask him. In a parable way, from Luke chapter 18 from verse 1. I will not be so. Then now Jesus Christ they comment. Go on, yes.
I tell you that he will avenge them speedily.
He said, I tell you that he will do what? Avenge them speedily. Especially in this age of the end of the world. But what will happen? The tragedy, I won't tell you now. Yes?
Nevertheless, when the Son of Man cometh,
when Jesus Christ go come, what will happen?
Shall he find faith on the earth?
You didn't answer. Not being talking. Jesus Christ, when the Lord cometh, shall he find faith on the earth to believe, saying, don't come? Are you not part of the earth? Are we not all part of the earth, brothers and sisters?
Yes.
We are all part of the earth. Do we really believe that Christ has come the second time? Do you believe it?
Yes.
Is Christ in you? Okay. If you knock your chest, as we go on, you go take the subject, take and examine yourself. Continue with that 1 Thessalonians chapter 5. Continue from verse 3. Then get me ready. 2 Peter chapter 3 from verse 10. Then I'll finish the subject. Quick, yes? You hear me? So, you, my dear brothers and sisters, are we in darkness about the second presence of Jesus Christ? No! Because both the epiphany and the apocalypse of Jesus Christ we know. The revelation and the manifestation of Jesus Christ we know. Now be the two words, they are Greek words. Epiphany means the brightness of Jesus Christ. The brightness of Jesus Christ through the preaching of the kingdom news when they for that 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, 7 to 12, now it destroy Roman Catholic Church. Then they shine again. Now the Pope now to the go about they talk say, I am sorry, say my priests they sleep with men and children. I will not be so. You know that day can it overtake us as a thief? No. But if you they go about, your heart is overcharged with suffering. You they drink, get me ready, that Luke chapter 21. From verse 28, if you let your heart to be overcharged with suffering, go about the drink and get drunk, that day will just trap you. Before you know, go pick you out. Go on, yes?
Ye are all the children of light.
We are all the children of light. Who is the light of the world?
Jesus Christ.
John chapter 8 verse 12. We are all enlightened about the second presence. Yes?
And the children of the day.
And the children of the day will not be witch and wizard. Yes?
We are not of the night.
We are not of the night. We not belong to secret society or secret cult. Any of them when they inside, come out for inside though. If you dey gbejubele and nonsense, take and come out. If you dey tie ogbebunu, please stop. If you be winch, not fly again. Otherwise the wire go catch you. Go on, yes?
Not of darkness.
Not of darkness.
Therefore, let us not sleep.
Yeah. Therefore, let us not what? Sleep. Some of una they sleep spiritually. Una duty as members of God's kingdom mission, una need they do. Only some of una they curse una self. When you reach the time to do something, instead of you to deny yourself, because I not get to. Okay. They publish you and not get the go. You not take time. He who sows sparingly will what?
Reap sparingly.
Then he who sow abundantly will reap what?
Bountifully.
May a word be enough for the wise. Notice, Jesus Christ is already looking at you. Saint Robo, they look you. Are they not the judges, priests, and kings of the world? Not be them, they rule the world now. Revelation chapter 1, 5 and 6. Revelation chapter 5, 9 and 10. Luke chapter 22, 28 to 30. They are there. Whether you like them or not, they are there. They are looking at you. If they tight and they talk well, take and gum your body like monkey, then you sabi. The day when you go open eye, you no go believe him. You don't take time inside hospital. Then you go open your riches. The one Christ has taken up his power to reign. He dey look all of us. He said, I have come and my reward is with me. Have not been so? To ever every man according to their works. Revelation chapter 22, from 12 right down to 22. Be warned. Yes.
As do others.
As do others, yes.
But let us watch and be sober.
You know, let us do what? Watch and be what? Sober. Not for you to spend and lavish your valuable time in ludicrous things. Every day and party for you. Are you sick? You know they get sober time. When you go take Bible, they read. Now only Sunday when you come, you go carry the Bible for where you keep them. Some of them, they keep the Bible near toilets. They reach some of them house, say, bring Bible out. Now only some will not get. Which kind of Christian you be? Be careful. Watch. And do what? Yes.
For they that sleep, sleep in the night.
Go on, yes.
And they that be drunken are drunken in the night.
Go on.
But let us who are of the day be sober.
Be sober and do what? Yes.
Putting on the breastplate of faith and love.
Yeah, I'm putting on the breastplate of what? Faith and love. What did Jesus Christ talk? He said, a new commandment giveth I unto thee, that you love one another, even as I love you. John chapter 13, 34 and 35. Now it's supposed to be our principle. Christ must be in you. Colossians chapter 1, 25 to 27. If Christ not there inside you, just know say, you not believe, say Jesus Christ don't come the second time. Or if you believe, now inside your head, now just day. It's not working. It's not a software that is driving you. Go on, yes.
And for an helmet,
yes,
the hope of salvation.
You know, for an helmet, the hope of salvation. If you read down, he talk everything there. Read in that 2 Peter chapter 3 from verse 10. Then I wind up. 2 Peter chapter 3 from verse 10. And I wind up. Christ in you. When you say Jesus Christ has come, is he in you? Now a personal question. Now you go answer them for yourself. Have you not been so? But the evidences of your faith, love, obedience, and patience, we go see them. Go on, yes.
But the day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night.
He will come as thief in the night for we again. Are they asking my members? Hello? We don't know say the day of the Lord don't come. So it is not a thief in the night for we again. Go on, yes.
In the which the heavens shall pass away with a great noise.
Thank you. The heaven itself, when they say the heaven, are the heaven of God? No. Heaven of Satan. We are talking of the ecclesiastical elements of the world. They will pack away. Yes.
And the elements shall melt with fervent heat.
Yes, otherwise heat they kill angel. Heat they kill demon. The fervent heat now the anger of God, which Jesus Christ will rake on top of all satanic elements. Go on, yes.
The earth also.
Yes.
And the works that are therein.
The earth itself, that it will be shaking. God will shake them. Yes.
Shall be burned up.
Shall be burnt up. Yes.
Seeing then that all these things shall be dissolved.
When we know, say, Satan element, the kingdoms of this world, they don't finish. No monarchy in the world anymore. Anywhere where monarchy, they serve, the kings and they run. They run. While other boss for all of them. A situation when a country, they jail a king. Not a king again. Not a king. No. He says, since all these elements, Jesus Christ, don't they send them back in? Yes.
What manner of persons ought ye to be in all holy conversation?
Which manner of person you supposed to be? When you know say Jesus Christ don't come again, and he don't dey rule in the enemies, and you dey confess and you know which kind person you supposed to be. Yes?
In all holy conversation
Go on, yes.
and godliness.
Yes.
Looking for
And
hastening unto the coming of the day of God.
the day of the Lord's anger. When Zephaniah talk for Zephaniah chapter 1, 14 to 18, Amos chapter 9, 1 to 9, then Revelation chapter 9, 1 to 11, or the day of the Lord when he go come to where he go wipe out wickedness is around the corner. Have it not been so? Have it not been so?
So,
Which year we use them as feast of